Hello everyone, and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisine du Monde, a channel web dedicated to global content, global cooking of recipes around the world. And if you are the kind of my name is Chef Ayesha, and this is my channel. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you're most welcome, and you can support this channel by subscribing, turning on your bell icon for notification, liking the video and sharing it with others so that they equally get to benefit. So today we're going to make some paella, Spanish paella, and the ingredients for this recipe: we need some carrot. We're making vegan paella. Some carrots, minced bell pepper minus the green one, some garlic, some ginger, some onion, white onion, chopped tomatoes, some sweet corn, arborio rice, some cayenne pepper, ground black pepper, some thyme, some cook, and lastly some salt to taste. Let's get on with the process. So on fire, I'm gonna put some coconut. I have a clean tagine pot on fire. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, very healthy for you and smells amazing. Allow this to heat up. In goes our garlic, goes our onions, in goes my carrot because it's very hard. Goes my thyme, approximately 1 teaspoon of thyme. Goes my ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Ayesha's authentic paella. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. So amazing. Our bell pepper goes in. Give this a mix. In goes our ginger, grated ginger. In goes my 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. One tablespoon of my Scotch bonnet mix. I'm gonna put a link of my mix seasoning, natural chemical-free seasoning, in the description for you to access. In addition, I'm going to add my Caribbean green seasoning to this. I'll put a link of this seasoning in the description for you to access. All natural. That's my green seasoning. More to add a bit of structure to this food, to this paella, I'm going to add 1 can of chopped tomato. So this. Really mix this. You put a bit of water in the can and then gently rinse it around in order to not waste any of the tomato juice in the can, and gently pour it, ensuring that you don't cut your finger from the sharp edges of the tin. Fresh basil, tomato and basil are a match made in heaven. So it's gonna add a lot of flavor to your food. Some parsley as well, if you wish, as you may. And then we're gonna cover this to cook. I'm gonna add some salt, taste, and then we'll cover this. Let's taste this. Everything is on point, so we're gonna cover this. Gonna cover it nicely. Have a look at how our sauce is doing. Looks pretty okay. The rest of the carrots in there. Here goes the arborio rice. This is the type arborio rice. Arborio. In goes the rice. The type of rice I'm using, arborio rice. Gently mix everything together nicely. In goes the sweet corn. Goes the rest of the bell pepper. Not water yet for the flavors to infuse into the rice. Then we'll add the water later. Have a look. So at this point, you can add the water.
Ayesha'Suniqcu, a place where your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha'Suniqcu, Ayesha'Suniqcu, a place where your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha'Suniqcu, you are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha'Suniqcu. Ayesha'Suniqcu, come on, Ayesha'Suniqcu, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'Suniqcu, come on, Ayesha'Suniqcu, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'Suniqcu, you are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha'Suniqcu. So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you like eating
check out my other
recipes,
rice recipes. I'll put a link in the description. Bye.